how to change jersey slash kits in eFootball. Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can change jersey slash kits in eFootball. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So if you're also trying to change your kits in eFootball, first of all, open the eFootball application into your account and simply log in. After you are logged in, you'll be able to see the eFootball home screen. So in order to change your kits, you just need to head over to one of the game. So you just need to head over to the match section. Just head over to match and select one of the match that you want to play. For example, this one. After going there, just wait for a bit and go on to match. After going there, you'll be taken to a new game. Wait for a bit. And then here, when you enter the game, you need to edit your position and everything. After that, just tap on the hanger icon. And when you tap on the hanger icon, you'll be finding all of the kit and jerseys that you may have. After that, simply select the jersey you want to select. Switch it up to confirm it and go on with the process of playing the game, and that should basically do it. So therefore, just follow that method in order to switch your jersey or kit into your eFootball game. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.